Hello everyone, welcome to LimeRoad. My name is Tejasvini and the one question that I'm asked very often is how do I make my makeup look very dewy? So today I'm going to show you how it's done, and what you need is just one really good liquid highlighter. So without further ado, let me show you how it's done. Make sure that you watch this video till the very end because I have some very important tips on how to choose your highlighter. So we have the lovely Disha here with us today, and I've put some primer and a little bit of concealer on her face. The first product I'm going to use is the MILANI Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer. Always shake your foundation nicely before applying it. I've taken one pump of the foundation, and now to that one pump of foundation I'm going to mix the Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlighter, and this is in the shade Liquid Champagne. So I've applied that mix of foundation and liquid highlighter all over her face. With a large buffing brush, I am just pushing all that in and making sure it looks blended. I just want to make sure that her T-zone does not get oily because she already has an oily T-zone. So I'm taking a COLORBAR compact powder and just applying this powder with a fluffy brush all over her T-zone. I'm also setting her under eye makeup with the compact powder. I am going to add a little bit of an extra glow to the high points of her cheeks. And I'm using the same Makeup Revolution Liquid Champagne highlighter. And I'm just blending this out. I want the tops of the cheekbones to look very, very radiant when the light hits them. Now her face looks really beautiful and glowy. I just want to add some flush to her cheeks with the Faces blush. This is the Glam On blush in the shade Hot Pink 02. So wasn't that really easy to do? All you really need is the Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlighter and any good foundation. So whenever you go out to shop for a highlighter, whether it's a liquid or a powder, just make sure that it's not too yellow, not too pink, and not too white or stark in color. Just pick highlighters which blend in easily, are like a beautiful rose gold or champagne shade, and just don't jump up and look very obvious. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget that you can buy these products on LimeRoad. Keep coming back for more. Bye guys!